guys, so in today's video we're gonna see if we can put this Dominator on the CForce 600 Touring, and we're gonna see just how easy, difficult, or hard that it is. This is a muffler that I got from a subscriber named Nathan. He come out riding with us in the last video that you see with the CForce 1000. Super cool dude, and I want to thank him for giving this to me and letting me see if it'll fit on here. I was doing some research to see about these, and they're very affordable compared to the other exhausts that are out there on the market. So we're gonna see if this one will fit and what it sounds like. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. I want to thank our sponsor, www.CFMOTOUSAparts.com. Use discount code capital redneck for all of your CFMOTO needs over there. They have everything from parts and accessories. They can even get you the RJWC exhaust and all of that stuff. So all your performance stuff, they can get you some of that. Them guys are super awesome over there, and they take good care of everybody. I've had nothing but good feedback with everybody that has been dealing with them since we started working with them. Awesome dudes over there. Everybody is awesome over there. I want to thank them a lot for doing what they do for the Redneck Garage YouTube channel. Let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I went ahead and got started without you. It's super easy to pull all this plastic. There's 4 10mm bolts up under here in the corner. You'll see them. Super easy. There's gonna be one right up here in this corner, one here in the middle, and then 2 down at the bottom. And then this white piece comes right off. Super easy. Everybody says these are hard to work on. So far I'm loving it, but it's real easy to get to, guys. I promise. I didn't video it. I should have, but let's keep it as short as possible. Let's get into taking this apart. These springs do suck. They don't suck, they're just strong. They just suck to take off. Let's try that. Okay. Now we want to go ahead and loosen up these. All right, now we got that out of our way. We're gonna wanna assess the situation, see what I think we gotta do, and we'll be right back. So basically what we did, I got the wrong springs, so I just stretched them. They'll be fine. They're nice and tight. We cut off the factory muffler right where it was welded onto this, right at the weld. And I had this flange in my scrap bin from all the exhausts I've done over the years, and it actually matched up with the flange that came with it. Now you don't have to do that. You could weld a pipe directly to that, but I just wanted to do this just in case something ever happens. I want to switch out the exhaust tip and it needs a different style end or whatever. You could just weld it directly to this header pipe, and really that's all you got to do. Pretty easy. And we're going to slide it back in here, get it back on there. We're gonna put the springs back on there. All right guys, we got it all back together. We was able to use the stock heat shield. I didn't button it up back there yet, but I want to show you guys how to get this back together. It goes on there just like so. 2 10mm bolts. Now our next panel is this white one, the painted one. It just snaps into place like so. We have one Phillips screw Goes here. Like so. Not gonna be real easy for you to see, but we have a 10mm that goes here, another one that goes here, we have another one that goes just above it, a black one, and then we have a last one that goes up top here in the corner. It's starting to rain on me, but here's the next one. This one's real easy, just pops right in, just like so. So you guys want an exhaust for your 600 and you want an affordable one. I think it sounds good. I just reviewed the footage and the camera don't really pick up the deep tone that it has. It has a pretty good tone. It's definitely louder than stock. I wouldn't say it's quiet, but it's not as loud as like an RJWC or something like that. But the way that I did it, we can test different ones. I still have a few here, but I need to find them with the down pipe so it doesn't burn the plastics in the rear. So I say that's affordable. Put your headphones on and go back and re-watch the sound test of it and the takeoff. This thing's got a lot more power with that clutch kit. I'm sure that exhaust is going to add just a smidgen, and then we'll get a tune for it. I'm trying to track down a tune. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. We're gonna go out riding this weekend, so stay tuned for that footage. And then in that footage, we'll talk about the clutch kit that we've been testing and let you guys know all about it. All right, guys, peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.